Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT problem. So first, go to Google Chrome and type for ChatGPT. On the first link, you will click this one. Then, at the bottom, click ChatGPT, then click again the Try ChatGPT. If you see the problem or error in this page, you will try this at 3 or more times. After you click the ChatGPT, you will proceed on link Open Chat AI. Then, if you see the line that have Get Notified when we're back, just click it. Then, click the link chatopenai.com. Next, click again Get Notified when we're back. Again and again, click the link Chat OpenAI. And lastly, click the Get Notified when we're back. Then this is it. If you sign up or log in, you can simply do it in LinkedIn Desk. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you again.